What's up, y'all? Boss Nation Beauty here. So just a few things. One, I did not have an intro to this video. I know, I'm sorry. I usually do intros with my videos, but I really didn't have one. I just got into it. Two, I know I've been gone for like a few weeks, but I have my reasons. A little personal, but I'm back and I'm better. And yeah. Three, I want to thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. I just checked this morning, as this video has uploaded, that I am at 150 subscribers. Thank you so much. We are on our way up from here on out, but I'm out, y'all.
20 minutes later.
So I finished scruffing up my apartment, so now I'm just about to fix my hair and get cute. I'm not really gonna do my face either. So I was like, I'm just gonna be on the natural tins tonight. I'm glad I have bangs. I'm just kidding. I'm just staying. I know I'm naturally pretty. I do know that. So that's like the biggest thing. But I'm just currently editing and I see like, what the hell was I thinking putting this raggedy ass ponytail in my bangs? Some moisturizer on my face and do what I need to do. So we just gonna tame this so I can get it out the way. I'm so tired that I got it all untangled and everything. So now I'm just about to grab 3 sections. But I'm just gonna be going in with some mousse. dressed now.